Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a bit easier. Today, we're diving into the topic: how to change your address at the DMV in 2025. Whether you've just relocated or it's time for an update, keeping your details current is essential for your driver's license, vehicle registration, and even voting. Let's get straight into it, step by step, so you can handle this quickly and without any hassle. First off, why bother? In 2025, with more digital systems in place, an outdated address could lead to issues like delayed mail for renewals or even legal problems. Start by heading to your state's DMV website. It's the best resource for the latest procedures, as rules can vary by state. Step 1. Gather your essentials. You'll need your current driver's license or ID, proof of your new address, think utility bills, lease agreements, or bank statements, and possibly your social security number. This ensures everything goes smoothly. Step 2. Check for online options. By 2025, most DMV offices have upgraded to user-friendly online portals. Log in with your details, enter your new address, and submit the form. It might take a few business days to process, so keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Step 3. If online isn't available or you prefer in-person, schedule an appointment at your local DMV office through their website or app to skip long waits. Bring your documents, fill out any required forms on site, and submit them to a representative. Step 4. Don't forget about your vehicle registration. If it's not automatically updated, you'll need to handle that separately, either online or in person, to keep all your records in sync. Finally, once it's done, verify your new address on your license or registration, and update it on other important places like your voter ID or insurance. That's all there is to it. Changing your address at the DMV is straightforward when you're prepared. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and organized.